Hey, it's Dane with DS Diving Service here. It is July 26th. I'm here at Overbooked. We cleaned half of her yesterday. We're back again today. We have her on an every other month schedule right now, which has been fine. However, this boat should take maybe an hour and 30 minutes, somewhere between 45 and an hour and 30 minutes. To do half of it yesterday took 2 hours. So it's going to take 4 hours. We absolutely have to bump you up to a monthly schedule if we're going to keep maintenance pricing for the rest of the summer, because that will it will still be plenty dirty in 1 month time, but we'll be able to do our maintenanceable amount of time on the boat. If we're taking 4 hours, we have to bill you by the hour. I did want to get, while I have the guy working on the other side of the boat, did want to show you the water line where it's nice and white there. I'm actually today, while the other guy's doing the other half, removing the staining. Now here's where I haven't removed the staining yet. See the yellowing all around the boat here? And even up here, see where it's white and it transitions to yellow? I'm going to go ahead and try and remove the rest of the waterline staining while he's cleaning the bottom of the boat. But absolutely please consider doing every monthly service through this summertime. It's just growing way too fast for us to call 2 months maintenance cleaning. So we're going to get her cleaned up, and while he's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and take care of this water. Thank you, sir. Good day. Thanks for choosing DS Diving Service.